Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Google Play or the App Store and download the Family Link app now. Launch the app and sign in with your Google account as the Family Manager. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity and accept parental permissions for supervised accounts. Use the same Google account you want to manage family settings from. Keep your phone nearby while the app checks for updates and device compatibility before continuing with creating or linking a child account. Choose to create a supervised Google account for children under 13 using Family Link. Enter the child name, birth date, and create an email address if one is required. Read the supervision terms and tap to confirm family consent for account creation. On the child device, open the same Family Link app and select that this device belongs to your child. Follow the pairing prompts and enter the numeric code displayed to link the child device securely to your manager account. Open the Family Link Manager app to set daily screen time limits and device bedtime for the child. Configure app-specific time allowances and set timers for individual apps as needed. Require approval for app installs and in-app purchases so you can approve or block them from your device. Turn on location tracking to view the child device on a map when permitted. Check weekly activity, reports to review app usage, and adjust settings to match your family rules and expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.